learning how to animate on click can be very helpful, and it looks very it's like grabbing attention. That's why I've used this a lot in PowerPoint. And to do this in Canva, it's kind of like a workaround because we don't have an inbuilt feature for this, unfortunately. So I'm going to show you exactly the entire process. Make sure you subscribe for more if you haven't yet. And now let's jump right into this video without, you know, too much of talking, introduction. So what you have to do here, let's say I have this background here. Let's say now I have some shapes here. Now here I have some shapes, and I'm just gonna duplicate this one here, Control plus D. And now this one here, I'm just gonna go to animation here and click on rise and select here on enter, and just decrease the speed and direction, this direction. You can see how it looks. We can actually crank this up to maybe like this. And now for the next one, we don't want to add animation for this one. We would like to hold to drag this, but drag it while you hold Alt. And now we add the same animation for this one as well. And for the third one, now we hold and drag Alt. We hold Alt, drag and shift to lock in. And now for the third one, we add the same animation. We slow down. And now what we have here, basically, I go to present and we have this animation. So let's try again. You see, and let's start with this one here. We sure have animation here added on. Okay, this one. Okay, and that's fine. Let's click on present, and now we have this. Okay, I made a mistake or what? So we have the second one and third one. So let's see. Sorry, I don't want to download. Present, first one, second one, and then the third one. Yeah, it was like a loggy, that's why I didn't show. So yeah, now we have this on click. So instead of we have all the three here and just add animation, let's say we select this, but we don't have the option to add on click animation. You have to duplicate this, and it's like you're using you're animating, you're doing, you know, like different slides. One and the second one, you're doing more, you know, progressing the animation with another slide and another animation. But now what if you have text? So if you have text, you just have to ensure that you add that you select both, so the shape and the text. You go to animation and you click on this, and you also add this animation to your text as well. So now all we have to do is just to select this, actually both, and hold Alt and Shift to lock in. And for the third one, the same thing. So here, make sure we can highlight and we copy, Control C, and here Control V. We hold Shift to lock in, and then Alt and Alt Shift. And now we have this here, but make sure for this one we don't have animation. For the second one we go to Rise here, we have, as you can see. Well, for this one here, remove it. And then for the third one here, if you have animation, clear animation. And just for the third one, and you also can just group one here and a right click and copy style. But this will not actually add this will actually not add the animation. So if you copy style, it will actually add the style, but also actually I'm not quite sure. So copy and add to this. So copy style, and let's say you add to this. Now yeah, it has animations, so apparently it works. So you can copy style and paste the animation to our shape. Anyways, I don't know, I thought something else. But you can also remove this and add some, if you want some border, you can change the color. Maybe you want to animate only the border and with some text inside. Anyways, I hope you found this workaround helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.